Yo, Wagwan. Welcome to another video. In this video, we will be showing how my husband makes glazed chicken ham and
potatoes.
Yeah.
Loaded potatoes. Right?
Loaded potatoes. Yeah. So stay tuned and enjoy the video.
We're not chefs, so this is how we make it.
Yes, that's true. This is how we do it. Be sure, if you do it another way, to just tell us in the comments. Let us know, right? Yeah, thank you. Enjoy the video.
Alright guys, so Jenna was supposed to do this part of the video, but I don't know why she has opted not to. So you cut the potatoes. I cut them early. I'll be rubbing them with some oil and just have the skin on and everything, right? And
so before they were washed properly, you wash out the dirt and stuff. And so
you wash them nicely and right? And I'm just checking to see if they all can fit on the sheet or not. And yes, they can. So we're going to oil them all and then put them into the oven, right? We're Jamaican, so we need that way, isn't it? Put some oil in it and you rub them like you're lotioning.
But if you want to sponsor us the bottle that you put the oil in and then you can just drizzle it on, we'll accept the gift. Thank you.
But Jamaican style works. Sure, my grandmother did all the time. Never even see her cooking just as we go along. My grandmother died early.
Wow.
This sheet, as I said to you, I like to season mine. It's in small size. I don't want to very line. Work with me. I like to season mine a bit. Your pencil, you put liquor salt, right? Lift up this. I doubt you can see anything because it's as light as ever. Because remember, the inside is going to be also seasoned well, right? So do that and let's do this one. Alright, cool. So we're going to do the ham now. This is chicken ham actually. This is a whole chicken. It's cured and everything. I cut off the back so that it's spread nice like this.
It have a fancy name, but we don't remember the name. So just let us know in the comments, what the name is, that if you don't find out.
Alright, so this, I'll pour some water in it, and then we will cover it with foil and put it. Look at the pause. The pause? Alright, so we will be putting this into the oven for 1 hour. Right? It's a 4-point chicken, normally 15 to 20 minutes. So we're going in. It's a little bit weighty. So going in, right? Alright, so first thing, we get a half stick of butter and we melt it down, and then we'll be leaving it to brown, and then we add the sugar, right? So add the pineapple and vice versa. So we'll see how it goes, then we'll go from there. So it's a mix. Waiting on this to melt and then wait until it brown. So as you can see, the butter is getting darker in color, and it will only get darker So we add in some 2 tablespoons of the sugar. Might add in a little more. A half tablespoon. Thereabout. Alright, so add that and give it a mix. Get it to brown also. You brown the sugar. So we have that going on nicely. Then start smelling it coming together. Alright? Yeah. Now we add our the pineapple juice from the slices. Alright? Add that. Then we'll add the next canola, because I think these are the 4-ounce ones. I'm not sure if I remember. Alright? And some nice juice after that. Cool? And stir that. I'm going to season it now. I'm going to add a little anise in it. Give it some of that nice added sweet flavor that's there. It's more of a wooden type of flavor. Then you know, we have the legendary cloves. Add a few cloves in. Slight amount of shaker black pepper in. You don't need salt because we used margarine, well, the margarine butter stick. So that is that. Okay, ready. Just tell them say. Alright, so we bring this toe bean all syrupy into the nice syrup. So this can turn off now, right? And then we're going to move to make the loaded potatoes. So we're going to scoop out those lovely potatoes and then put them in a lovely pot. And as you see here, we have cut out the middle part. You don't want your potatoes to be too soft either, right? Because you're going to put them back in the loaded pot. Right? So we're going to get into using the filling and making that filling. Alright, so we took out the chicken and we're about to glaze it. We're gonna do the whole process of slicing it, slices and